So the color of the vinyl is white. So I'll just quickly look for something white vinyl, something small. I think something like this will do. And this is my favorite part of what I do. So these are completely waste. So I'll quickly just grab whatever leftover vinyl I have. Fine. So these are good enough. Now I'm going to use this and put it inside the Cameo. And then we select send. So while the cutting is done, I'll get my inventory. I'll get the sizes. So I have everything in order, so it's easy for me. XL, L, and then M. And now I'm ready to print it. Okay, so I have these vinyls ready. This is how they came out. So I have 3 orders that I'm going to pack now. This is the temperature, 190 degrees Celsius. And so what I do is I align it based on the line of the pack, right? So it starts from here and then goes here. So this way I don't miss out and the alignments are just fine. And I do is I use the line of the joggers to align this vinyl so it's straight. It's nice and straight. Great, this is the most satisfying part. The results. Boom. Let this cool down. I just got it out of the heat press. The lines that you see, once the t-shirt or the pants cools down, it will be just fine as before. So don't worry about these lines. These are okay. Here I have all the joggers ready and I'm going to ship it. Ship it, package it, add a funny paper to it, wash instruction, slowly package it. And do the same for all. Done.